Good day, everyone. Today, we will be discussing about Rizal's education in Ateneo de Manila from 1872 to 1877. So Rizal studied in Municipal of Ateneo de Manila, the formal name of Ateneo de Manila. From 1872 to 1877, he studied in Ateneo from the age of 11 to 16 years old. So, Ateneo that time was managed by Jesuits or Jesuits. So, when we say Jesuits, they are the Catholic religion order. So, founded by Saint Ignatius Loyola. So, they are known for being missionaries, teachers, and scholars. So, they are focused in discipline and moral formation. So this time was very important because it shaped Rizal's discipline, intelligence, and character. So let's proceed to the Rizal's admission to Ateneo. So this year was 1872. In June 10, 1872, Rizal took the entrance exam at Ateneo Municipal de Manila. So at first is he rejected just of two reasons. So first is he was small and flare. So gamay siya and malayahon sad. So the second is he enrolled late. But then na-accept siya through the help of Father Manuel Ceres Burgos. So a relative of Padre Burgos, one of the priests martyred of Gomburza. So during that time, Father Jose Beck was the rector. So when we say rector, that was the highest ranking of official university. So in our time is administrator siya. So in Rizal's life as a student, in this year was 1872 to 1877. So at this time, Rizal stayed at the boarding house. And this boarding house was run by Doña Pipay, and Doña Pipay's boarding house is near an Ateneo. So that's why nga nagboard si Dr. Azizal nga boarding house. So as a student, si Rizal is manggilawon. He was so shy. But although he was shy, he was hardworking and disciplined. Okay, so why can we say that he was a disciplined? These are his daily routines. First is early morning prayers and mass. The second is regular recitations and exams. And the third one is time for reading, writing, drawing, and study. Okay, so as we can see, he was so very hardworking and rather disciplined. So nga naman sila because the Jesuits trained their students to be organized and be responsible. So disiplinado jud siya. So during school system, Ateneo address the school system. So this system is a ranking system. So the purpose of this system is to motivate the students. So it has the two categories. First is the Roman Empire for borders, and the second one is the Carthaginian Empire for the non-borders. So Rizal belongs to the Carthaginian Empire. So in this system, students competed for ranks such as Emperor, Tribune, Centurion, and Standard Bearer, depending on performance. By 1873, Rizal has already reached to the highest rank. So since he was so hardworking and disciplined, Rizal reached the highest rank, which is the Emperor. As we can see, this is a brilliant student during this time in Ateneo. And let's proceed to Rizal's academic achievements. So in Ateneo, Rizal studied the subject Spanish, Latin, Greek history, geography, math, science, and philosophy. So in this subject, Rizal was excellent in languages and literature. And also, he was good in science. So from 1872 to 1876, Rizal received medals and prizes every year. And in the age of 15, and this year was the 1876, Rizal was considered as a brightest student in Ateneo. So going forward to March 23 to 1877, so at the age of 16, nag-graduate siya sa Bachelor of Arts degree. So nag-graduate niya siya sa Ateneo. And he also receiving the Sobresaliente, which is the highest honor. So, diba? So, as you can see, he was so intelligent kaya nakuha niya ang highest honor. So, let's proceed to the talents and interest in the year of 1874 to 1877. So, aside from academic, Rizal developed the skills and talent in Ateneo. So, ang iyang talent and skills is mas na-develop niya during sa Ateneo. So, at the age of 13, he wrote his first poem. So, nagbuhat siya first poem niya which is the Mi Primera Expression. So, in English, My First Inspiration. So, Rizal was good in drawing, painting, and sculpture. Dili lang kay sa academic, ramaayo si Rizal apil pud sa mga sports like fencing, gymnastics, and horseback riding. So Rizal loved nature because he sketched plants and animals. So, ginadraw niya ang kanang mga animals and plants. In this time at Ateneo, Rizal showed that education should be balanced. So, dapat balance siya. Dili ra kay puro academic, puro sports. So, dapat balance gid siya. The teachers who influenced Rizal during time in Ateneo. So Rizal was the great influence to his teachers. So the first teacher is Francisco de Paula Sanchez, SG. So Father Sanchez inspired Rizal to love the poetry and literature. So the second teacher is Father Jose Villaclara, SG. So he taught the Rizals in philosophy and science in the year of 1875 to 1877. By the year of 1876, Rizal was already known as one of the outstanding students in Ateneo de Manila. Rizal's character in this time, so Ateneo did not just train Rizal in academics, but also develop his character and values. So in lean, discipline, and perseverance, through given by the strict teacher. And then he grew by religious devotion, by attending mass and confession regularly. And he was taught patriotism. So patriotism is to love his country and to serve others. And by the graduation in 1877, Rizal was becoming a well-rounded person. So he's ready for the world breaker challenges. And in the year of 1882 to 1887, it gives Rizal's foundation for his later studies in the University of Santo Tomas. And also he studied in Europe. And also he trained and values from 1872 to 1877 influenced him throughout life. And Ateneo education developed his wisdom, life for learning and truth. The second is the character, which is discipline and responsibility. The third one is the nationalism, which desire to help his country. And lastly, this shaped Rizal into the national hero of the Philippines. That will be all. Thank you.